Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll set the parking brake here. It does work. You can see a gas gauge at a quarter tank. Oil pressure. It's cold, I just started it. There's your fan. Radio does not work. Does have dual tanks. I haven't tested them. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There's your wipers. And we'll check your lights. See if the dome light works. Nope, dome light must need a bulb or something. As far as I can tell, it still looks really the original 305 in there, pretty original truck. All the beers, all the hoses are still there and everything. There's a spot for the jacket missing there currently. Got power steering, power brakes. So nice driver quality, above average truck by all means. Any questions? 605-695-7391.